Hello, my name is Dustin Christensen, and this is a training on petty cash for Edgemont School District. Something I could implement if I'm a future administrator of a district. First and foremost, you would have to look at the district policies, and I looked at the Edgemont district policy on petty cash, and overall, the petty cash system here at Edgemont is not intended to replace the purchase order process. It is used to intend to provide cash for emergencies only. All transactions should be documented. Here at Edgemont, according to the law, South Dakota law, petty cash are for districts and cannot exceed the amount of $100 in each account. Edgemont uses it to facilitate refunds and minor purchases, and they're talking to the business manager. There are just a couple areas in the school where there's two envelopes with the cash, and then it goes to the business manager if you need petty cash. Expenditures against items may be made from petty cash. According to the Board of Education, authorized employees for each school, and at Edgemont it's the business manager, and they are accountable for the petty cash. Like I said, there's two places within the Edgemont School District that have petty cash and is locked up with the business manager in the business office. As for disbursements, not required, they don't require board approval or board president signature or the business manager. You just go in and say, I need some petty cash for this, or you say you're going on a trip, and in case of an emergency, you have some cash on hand. As an administrator, it's important to designate leaders of a petty cash fund. Ensure that the funds will be just only for minor expenditures and not readily deferred. No petty cash fund may be used for purchasing procedures by law and policies or according to the current Board of Education. In my current district, there are not much policies in place or procedures. Thus, a request for petty cash funds must be made in writing. Or what I'm saying here is, as a future administrator, I would have procedures to request for petty cash and have it in writing, be signed off by a certain person, such as the business manager. Have petty cash boxes in a secured place. A designated person with the petty cash will have scheduled disbursements when the funds available in the petty cash have declined to less than 25% of the full authorized $100. Shall show the disbursements by line account numbers. The person shall submit the schedule to the superintendent with a voucher requesting replenishment in like amount. Petty cash fund will be closed out for audit at the end of the school year, and unused funds will be returned to the depository. These are the references. Thank you for listening.